Hey, what's going on guys? Tanvay here. Welcome back to my channel Simple Snippets. It's been a while since I made a video, especially this face-to-face video. Well, today is a special one because I'm making an announcement for a new playlist. By the title you must have guessed it, and it's gonna be competitive programming for absolute beginners. Now this is an obvious choice. It was heavily requested by many of the viewers, many of the subscribers on this channel. That is because we've already covered many general purpose programming languages like C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, etc. And on top of that, we've also covered the basics of data structures and algorithms, which basically is one of the most viewed playlists on this channel. So it's natural that I also talk about competitive programming because this is where many of the beginners, especially IT and computer science students, struggle, because in their final years during the interviews you have competitive programming as an entire round, which is the technical round, and this is where many students struggle. So I'm gonna begin with this whole playlist. So let me quickly give you a short intro about this. And if you are a CS or IT student, obviously you've probably been told 100 times you need to do competitive programming. That is if you want to have a great tech job or if you want to clear your university coding rounds. So what do? You go to platforms like LeetCode or Codeforces, you pick a problem that says easy, you read it, and you have absolutely no idea what it's asking. The math looks terrifying, the problems read like a riddle, and you end up feeling like coding just isn't for you. Well, guess what? It's not your fault. The gap between learning basic programming and solving actual competitive programming problems is massive. And that is exactly why I built this playlist. So this playlist is a finite 50-ish video challenge designed explicitly for absolute beginners. So who is this for? First of all, college students preparing for campus placements. Second, beginners who want to build rock solid logic. And third, anyone who finds LeetCode or Codeforces intimidating. So what are the prerequisites? So you do not need a degree in advanced mathematics, you don't need to be an algorithm expert. If you know what is the basic if-else statements, the basics of a programming language like the looping statements, basic arrays, strings, etc, you are 100% ready to start with video 1. So what do you expect in terms of the language flexibility? So here's how we are going to tackle this challenge together. So we aren't going to rush into a particular topic or dump heavy code templates on you. Every single video will focus on exactly one problem, and we will follow kind of like a 3-step formula. So in step 1 we will read the problem, strip away all the confusing stories and make it simple. Step 2, we will jump on to the whiteboard to map out the logic, use diagrams and charts to get a better understanding of the problem, try to find out all the edge cases. And in step 3, we will write the code. Now a quick note on the programming language, I will be writing the code mostly in C++ programming, but this is not strictly confined to C++ only. So the logic is kept universal. So whether you do it in Python, Java, JavaScript, C, whichever language you're comfortable with, you'll be able to use that. So that is how the logic is going to be, so that you can use your own favorite language. So by the end of this entire competitive programming for absolute beginners playlist, which would probably have around 50 to 60 videos, you will have trained your brain to think like a competitive programmer. You'll know how to spot the edge cases before even you touch the keyboard. And to make this easy for you, I've also put together structured notes and clean code snippets, which I will obviously put out on our website, and some more add-ons. For example, if you want a deep dive into individual topics and also get different coding versions of that problem, that will also be shared with you guys. So no more excuses, it's time to stop guessing and start building your logic. Bookmark this playlist, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video where we start off with our very first problem. Let's code together. Thanks for watching, see you guys in the next one. Peace.